How to replace sliders on a cable linkage spreader. Unscrew the clamp from the corner bracket. Remove the current slider. Detach the cable from the slider. Pick up the desired slider plate. Insert the cable back into the small eye on the plate. Reinsert the slider in between the 4 columns under the hopper. Push the plate in just enough so that the drop holes are completely closed. Ensure the level is closed at setting 0. Secure the rubber end of the cable with the clamp back into the bracket with the screw. Pull the lever back and forth and make sure the plate opens and closes at the correct settings. You have successfully replaced sliders on your cable linkage spreader.